Ukraine's NFT museum, Metaverse, dollar dominance, and more news. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to talk about the recent news made in the field of crypto. They're going to be on all topics, from NFT auctions to government regulations and even mergers. So watch the whole video till the end. Ukraine's NFT museum. So let's talk about the countries that uses crypto at its fullest. So, to recover and rebuild all the theater, so this is called meta history. Museum of War. So according to the data we got from the Ministry of Digital Transformations, they already have 1,282 artwork and could raise about 190 ETH, which roughly is $650,000. They will also hold an auctions of the winner of the Prospect 100 and international competitions. So if you want to take part in the auction, hurry up and buy NFT from the museum. Metaverse. So this is pretty interesting. Citi, the finance giant, has reported that the range of the target addressable market for Metaverse would be about $10 trillion. VR or AR users would only contribute $1 billion to it, and mobile phone users will probably have a share of $5 billion. According to them, the most crucial thing for the expected Metaverse experience is that the connectivity speeds needs to be increased, and the latency has to be improved. Moving on to investments. So, you must have heard that some banks are thinking about introducing derivatives based on bitcoins. So the acting controller of the US currency wants them to be very careful while introducing such derivatives and consider the current risk aggregations and the unreliable price history. Now, Galaxy Digital, the investment management firm, works to acquire BitGo, a crypto custody specialist. So they have increased the share value they would be receiving from $33.8 million to $44.8 million. So now, the BitGo owner will own 12% of the company instead of 10%. Also, fun fact, the company has seen a rise in net comprehensive income by 345% in 2021. Then we have the Bitcoin miner PrimeBlick recently announced that he would go public with a merger with the 10x Capital Venture Acquisitions Corp. 2. The value of the merger is about $1.25 billion. He even had an installed data center's capacity of over 110 megawatts and generated a revenue of $24.4 million in just one quarter. All about the domain. So, Unstoppable Domain, a blockchain domain name provider, recently announced that the blockchain.com, a crypto platform, now supports all of its extensions available on Brave, Opera, and Chrome. So far, they offer the extensions .coin, .bitcoin, .nft, .crypto, .888, .x, and more. They have .blockchain coming soon. The dollar supremacy issue. So, Gita Gopinath, who is the first deputy managing director at IMF, said that the sanctions that the US has imposed on Russia could dilute the dominance of the US dollar in the market. This might lead to fragmentations of the international monetary system. However, she has assured that even then, dollar would still be the major global currency, but some countries are already renegotiating the currency in which they are paid for trading. Now, onto taxes. Indonesia has recently announced that it will be changing the value-added tax on crypto assets transactions as well as the capital gains from such investment to 0.1%. The revised tax slab would be applicable from the 1st of May. Now, onto the blockchain. Phantom, the blockchain platform, has announced a new incentive program. This program is in partnership with Gitcoin Grants, a grant community. Like, duh! If you want to be a part of the program, check their blog posts regularly to check all the eligibility criteria. Also, the testnet for Layer 1 blockchain of Chills is now live. It is called Scofield. The company has said that they will release more information on the launch of the mainnet, CC2, which is Chill Chains 2.0 very soon. So wait it with bated breath, guys. Now onto some hacking gossip. So a hacker recently earned $3.6 million by exploiting Ola.finance. Unfortunately, they have incurred a protocol loss much larger than this value. The platform has released a statement that they are working on a compensation plan and have taken the required measures so that the attacker will not profit more from them. Now let's talk about some regulations. So India has said that it is neither regulating the provisions nor tightening them for crypto assets until there is a global consensus on this matter of regulations. So, Kazushige Kamiyama, head of the payment and settlement systems at the Bank of Japan, said that the G7 countries needs to speed up their process of creations of a common framework for digital currency. He even said that the stablecoins creating an individual global settlement system will not be difficult. The Securities and Exchange Commissions have issued a warning recently. According to this, all the companies in the country that acts as the custodians of crypto assets on behalf of some other companies need to account for those assets as a liability rather than an asset. Well, If we go by the basics of accounting, it is a liability as they are accountable for those companies for the very assets. They also need to disclose all the risk associated with those assets to the investors. It is said that there can be a significant impact because of the technological, regulatory, and legal risk of the operations of the custodian and on their financial condition as well. So that's it for today's guys. Let us know which piece of news you found the most interesting. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.